Windows are an integral part of your home, providing natural light, ventilation, and insulation. However, as they age, windows can become less effective, compromising your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and appearance. If you're a homeowner in Farmington Hills, understanding the signs that indicate it's time to replace your windows is essential. Here are the key indicators to watch for. Rising energy bills. If you've noticed a steady increase in your energy bills, your windows might be to blame. Older or damaged windows often lack proper insulation, causing your heating and cooling systems to work harder. Drafty windows can let warm air escape during winter and let heat in during summer, resulting in higher energy consumption. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows can significantly reduce your energy costs and improve your home's comfort. Difficulty opening and closing. Windows should open and close smoothly. If you struggle to operate your windows, it could be due to warped frames, rusted hardware, or general wear and tear. Not only is this inconvenient, but it can also pose a safety risk in emergencies when quick access to a window is necessary. Drafts and temperature fluctuation. Feeling a draft near your windows, even when they are closed, is a clear sign of poor sealing or gaps in the frame. Drafty windows can make your home feel cold and uncomfortable during Michigan's chilly winters. Similarly, inconsistent indoor temperatures often indicate that your windows are not doing their job of maintaining a stable environment. Visible damage or decay. Inspect your windows for visible damage such as cracks in the glass, rotting frames, or water stains. In Farmington Hills, the fluctuating weather conditions can accelerate wear and tear. Damaged windows not only look unsightly but can also compromise the structural integrity of your home and lead to further issues like mold or water damage. Condensation between panes. Double or triple pane windows are designed to provide superior insulation by trapping gas between the panes. If you notice condensation, fogging, or moisture between the glass layers, it indicates a seal failure. Once the seal is broken, the insulating properties of the window are significantly reduced, making replacement necessary. Noise pollution. Living in a bustling community like Farmington Hills can mean dealing with noise from traffic, neighbors, or local events. If outside noise seeps into your home, your windows may lack adequate soundproofing. Modern window designs often feature enhanced acoustic insulation, helping to create a quieter, more serene indoor environment. Fading furniture and flooring. Excessive UV exposure through your windows can cause your furniture, carpets, and flooring to fade over time. Older windows may lack UV blocking coatings that modern energy-efficient windows offer. Replacing your windows with models that include low emissivity, low E glass can protect your interior furnishings while maintaining natural light. Outdated aesthetics. Windows contribute significantly to your home's curb appeal. If your windows look outdated, it can detract from the overall appearance of your home. Replacing old windows with modern, stylish designs can instantly boost your home's aesthetic appeal and even increase its market value. Frequent maintenance. are you spending too much time and money on window maintenance, such as repainting, resealing, or fixing broken parts? This is a strong sign that your windows have reached the end of their lifespan. Newer windows require minimal maintenance, saving you time and effort in the long run. Why choose window replacement in Farmington Hills? Farmington Hills homeowners experience a variety of weather conditions, from snowy winters to humid summers. High-quality replacement windows are designed to withstand these fluctuations, providing better insulation and durability. Additionally, many modern windows are tailored to meet local energy standards, offering you long-term savings. Benefits of replacing your windows. Replacing your windows can offer numerous advantages. Improved energy efficiency. Save money on heating and cooling. Enhanced comfort. Eliminate drafts and maintain stable indoor temperatures. Increased home value. Boost your property's resale value with updated windows. Reduced noise. Enjoy a quieter home with better soundproofing. Lower maintenance. Spend less time and money on upkeep. If you recognize any of these signs, it may be time to consider replacing your windows. Upgrading to energy-efficient, durable, and visually appealing windows can transform your Farmington Hills home. Reach out to a trusted local window contractor to discuss your options and start your journey toward a more comfortable and efficient living space.